In a world where digital innovation is king, how can you stand out from the crowd and create products that truly make an impact? Introducing 1000 digital products ideas to create and sell today. Are you ready to unlock your creative potential and turn your ideas into profitable digital products? This comprehensive guide is your ticket to success. You'll find a treasure trove of 1000 carefully curated digital product ideas across various niches. From ebooks to online courses, software to graphics, there's something for everyone. Each idea in the book comes with a detailed description and tips on how to bring it to life. You'll discover strategies for market research, product creation, pricing, and marketing. It's a step-by-step roadmap to success. Don't let your ideas gather dust. With 1000 digital products ideas to create and sell today, you'll be equipped with the tools and inspiration to turn your passion into profit. But wait, there's more. As a bonus, you'll also gain access to our exclusive ChatGPT prompt, and all this is just $4.